Hi, today we create this cool effect with geometry node. Tutorial very friendly beginner, I show step by step how to create. Also, I have a Patreon. If you want to support the channel and get all file, go here. Okay, let's start. Go to Edit, Preference, Add-on and search Cell Fracture. Turn on, close window, select cube, tab, scale x-axis 100 time, s, y, 10 time, tab, rename cube to rod, rename material, rod, now create particle system, frame start 1, end 1, number I choose 2000. If your computer not very good, you choose less number, maybe 1000 or 500. Now best time save project. Ctrl Shift S and choose save direction. Select rod, object, quick effect, cell fracture. Source limit, same number what you create particle system. I choose 2000. Split edges 0. Material 1, collection name, cells, and click OK. This may take a 5 minutes. Just be patient. Okay, now we need plane. Scale plane x-axis, y-axis. You see size right side. Rotate y-axis 90 and move x-axis. Hide rod. I change frame rate to 60 and my animation be 2.5 time longer. Select plane, go to first frame, E, go to last frame. Now move x-axis and insert another keyframe E. Let's look what we have. Looks good. Go to timeline and click T. Linear. Open geometry node editor. Hide cells collection. And hide plane render view. Select plane, Shift S, cursor to selected, and create another plane. Rename plane geometry node. Go to modifier properties and choose geometry node. Delete group input. Shift A, search set material. Geometry to geometry, rod, Shift A, search translate instances, instances to geometry, Shift A, search scale instances, instances to instances, Shift A, collection info, geometry to instances. Turn on separate children, reactive, and choose cells collection. We have almost half geometry node. Shift A, search position. Shift A, search object info. Shift A, search vector math. Shift D, duplicate. Shift A, search map range. Okay. Connect position to vector, location to vector, reactive. Search plane, vector to vector, vector to value, and result to scale. Find subtract and find dot product. value to value. Turn off location space. Shift A. Map range. Select, move a little bit. Shift A, search combine X, Y, Z. Result to Z. Value to value. Vector to translation. That's it. Now just experiment with settings. If you wanna follow my settings, you see right now, I create more video with geometry node feature. If you want subscribe my channel, don't forget comment what good, what bad. Maybe you have advice for me. Thanks for watching and goodbye.